Magandang araw. I-solve natin ang exercises na ito. Find the value of each of the following. 5 raised to 3 divided by 5 raised to 4. Remember, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal yan sa a raised to m minus n. Ang 5 raised to 3 divided by 5 raised to 4 equal yan sa 5 raised to 3 minus 4. At equal yan sa 5 raised to negative 1. Isa pang dapat nating tandaan, ang any number, let's say a, raised to negative m, negative exponent, equal yan sa 1 over a raised to m. Nawala ang negative ng exponent nung dinala siya sa denominator. 5 raised to negative 1 is equal to 1 over 5. Isa pang dapat tandaan, any number raised to the power of 1 is equal to the number. Kaya ang exponent na 1 ay pwede nang hindi isulat. At 1 over 5 ang ating final answer. Sagutin naman natin ngayon ang number 5. 2 raised to negative 3 divided by 2 raised to negative 2. Tandaan natin, ang a raised to the m divided by a raised to the n is equal yan sa a raised to m minus n. Ang sagot ay 2 raised to the power of negative 3 minus negative 2. Magiging 2 raised to negative 1. Kapag sinolve natin ang negative 3 minus negative 2, ang sagot dyan ay negative 1. At tandaan ulit natin, ang a raised to negative m equal yan sa 1 over a raised to positive m. Ang 2 raised to negative 1 equal yan sa 1 over 2. Tandaan ulit natin na ang a raised to the power of 1 ay equal yan sa a. Hindi na natin sinusulat ang exponent kapag siya ay 1. So dito ay may invisible na exponent na 1. 2 raised to negative 3 divided by 2 raised to negative 2 is equal to 1/2. Para sa iba pang mga topic, basahin ang description.